Hey go guys, this is Oscar here. I'm just swapping my tire front left to front right. So I thought I'd just do a quick video. So it might help someone if you get a flat tire or something like that. And I'll just show you how I do it. So now first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna loosen up the nuts before I jack up the car. So let's loosen up the nuts. I have loosened up all of them. So once I jack it up, it will be very hard to do it. So better to do it right now. So now I'm gonna just jack up the car. So I put a towel here. So you just have to put it right here where the supportings are. Just show you again. We just put it right there where the supportings are, and we just jack it up. Now the car has been jacked up, as you can see there, and the wheel is slightly up. That's all you need. The wheel is slightly up, it's not touching. So yeah, I'm just gonna, now it's much easier because I don't have a power tool, so just much easier to just loosen them up. This way I can take out the wheel. So the reason why I'm actually swapping this tire from the left to the right side and the right one to the left is, see this area here, this tire here, it has worn out. If you look at this side here, outer portion of this front left tire, when the Camrys get old, especially my one, is done about 400,000 Ks. So it gets wear out so quickly, and it has some sort of wheel alignment issue. So I've tried to do it every time I put on new tires, but unfortunately it's not fixing the problem. I've changed my what is it called, these arms. I put new arms about 1.5 years ago, but it doesn't solve the problem because there's something to do with this car anyway. So as you can see here, it has worn out compared to the this side here. But anyway, that's the other tire that I had on the front right side. Absolutely same, nothing changed. It's slightly here difference than here, but it's not as much as compared to this one, as you can see. So that's the reason why every 6,000-7,000 kilometers I just swap, because these tires, I've had it in the garage, and this tire has been at the back of the car, and it has done almost 40,000 k's on this tire at the back. So I swapped it at the front. Now all I'm gonna do, this is almost like I can't keep it on the left anymore because another 3,000-4,000 k's it will be finished. So I'm just gonna turn it this side to the right side from the left, so it's gonna last probably another 10,000 k's hopefully, and then this is gonna go to the left, which is a lot more trend left here. So yeah, so now I'm just hand tightening them as much as the farthest I can go. After that I will just have to jump in the car. So once the hand tighten, then I'm gonna jack it down, and then I will jump in here and then tighten it up, use my body weight to tighten up the whole car. So at the moment I tried whatever I can. So there's still loose in there. Make sure you tighten it up. There you go. Now I'm just gonna jack it down. Now all I'm doing, just tie it up as much as I can. So you need to make sure that it's tied in 100%, because otherwise it's very unsafe. So yeah, it's all done. Hope this video helps, guys. Please, if you like the video, please like it and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching again.